Hey everybody, I'm here quickly, just very quickly, to show you a 2-page ephemera kit for autumn that I've added to my, I'm going to scoot that up a little bit, to my subscribers club over on my Ko-fi site. And so I just wanted to share them with you. There's journal cards, tags in 2 sizes, tickets, labels, a couple of bows, butterfly, acorns. And I wanted to show you the difference between printing on cardstock, which this is. This is Neenah 100-pound cardstock, I believe. I think so, but I don't have the package right in front of me. And what it looks like when you print on presentation paper. Now, I have an Epson Eco Tank. You can use Epson presentation paper, or I have switched to Red River presentation paper in the matte finish. And look at the difference between the two. So they are so much more vibrant. So here's the difference between the tag on cardstock on my right and the presentation paper on the left. And look at the tickets, the acorns, the butterfly, the bow. It's a huge difference. They do have thicker presentation paper. Of course, every company has presentation paper, I think. You can get a thicker paper, and then you don't have to back them with anything. I have, these are, I think, 26 pound sheets. So I will back these onto cardstock. But I just wanted to show you. Let me switch over to this one. So again, the cardstock is in my right hand and the presentation paper is in the left hand. And you can see the difference in the owls. I mean, look at that. Isn't that crazy? It's so crazy. I mean, either one is fine. I mean, if you're only printing on cardstock, it's totally fine. It's still beautiful, but I really love presentation paper. If you want to try it out, I love it. So today when I was doing this test print, I printed in cardstock first just to look at it, and I thought, they look a little dull and kind of drab. So I switched paper, put my presentation paper in there, and I was like, wow. It's just crazy. Isn't it beautiful? I just love it. So I just wanted to come in and share that. So if you are a member of my subscriber club, it is already uploaded and the link is on my Ko-fi page. And if you're not a member of my subby club, I would love to have you. I have a huge, ginormous, I want to say it's 56-page Autumn Breeze kit currently over there, and I have 22 pages of coffee dyed paper over there, and I've just added these two. I've had some questions about the subscribers club and what's included for the $3 a month fee. So you go to Ko-fi, you sign up for an account. All they want to know is your name and your email address. That way your account is linked to my subscriber club. And anything that I upload to that club, whether it's this month, next month, December, next year, as long as you're still an active member, meaning you're still paying the fee of $3 per month, you get access to everything that I put in there. So if you were to now, and second of all, everything that I put in my subscriber club, I do not sell. So I won't put it on my Etsy, I won't put it on my Facebook group, and I won't put it for sale on Ko-fi. It's only in the subscribers club. So if you were to compare individual kits, $2.50 a kit, $3 a kit, $5 a kit, if you add that all up over 3 or 4 kits per month, it's $3 versus potentially 15 or more. So it's a huge bargain. I think you get a lot for what you pay for. It's super fun. I love to design. I do it all day long, every day. I do post freebies in my Facebook group, and that is perfectly fine. If you want to stay in the Facebook group and just grab the freebies, I do have some over there right now. But the big kits and things like that, I put in my subscriber club. So I just have all this stuff on my desk because I was playing and inking and putting together a couple of signatures. So this will be a future video, and so I'm excited about this. And that's it. So thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, hit the thumbs up button, share with your friends. That would be great. I'd be so appreciative. It would really help me out. I will put all of my links down below. So Facebook business page and my group, and Ko-fi, my email, everything will be down there. So have an amazing weekend. I hope you get time to play with your autumn kits. And if you do share, please share in the Facebook group. I would love to see what you're creating. Or you can tag me at Journals Reimagined, and that is all one word. All right. Awesome. Thank you so much. Bye.